Hey guys, welcome back. So we are still going to be doing some unit conversions here, but instead of staying in one unit, we are going to go to another unit. So we're starting off with centimeters, which is metric, and we're going to go to customary, which is inches. So generally, inches can be a little bit larger than metric, so our answers, instead of going up like they have been, they're actually going to get smaller. So first thing we need to know is, well, how many centimeters are there in 1 inch? And the answer for that is actually a decimal. So there are actually 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. So we need to set up our conversion. So we're going to have our 12 centimeters, and we're going to be multiplying it by something. So instead of putting that 2.54 on top, we want to put the 1 inch on top. And we're going to put the 2.54 centimeters on the bottom. So the reason why we're doing this now is because we want those centimeters to cancel out. We don't need that information. So if we have 1 centimeter on the top and 1 centimeter on the bottom in our problem, they will cancel out, leaving us only with inches, which is what we want. So I can get rid of those centimeters there, and the only unit I'm left with is inches. So I know my final answer is going to be in inches. So off screen, I'm going to take my calculator and divide. So I'm going to write what I'm dividing on my screen. I did 12 divided by 2.54. So the reason I'm dividing is because 12 is in the numerator and my 2.54 is in the denominator. So I'm actually skipping a step here. So what I'm really not showing you is that multiplication. So the first thing is that 12 times 1, which is really just 12. And then 1 times 2.54, which is just 2.54. That is why I am able to do that 12 divided by that decimal. So when I do that in my calculator, I'm going to get a pretty long decimal. I'm going to get an answer of 4.724409449. Whoa! Let's round this to the hundredths place. So let's get a different color. Let's use blue. So I'm going to look at my 2. I'm going to look next door. This number is a 4, so I'm going to be rounding down. So the 2 will stay right where he is. So my answer is 4.72 inches. That's how many inches are really 12 centimeters. So if I took a metric ruler and I measured out 12 centimeters and held it to an inch ruler, it would be approximately, easier for the eye to see, about 4.75 of an inch. Stay tuned for a 2-step conversion where we go from metric to customary in those 2 steps. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, and leave a comment below if you have any questions for me, and make sure you share this video with a friend who would benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.